Sorry for the wind noise, but I got over here to the viewing area right at peak flying times. So this particular jet is labeled or is registered DACVG, so it's kind of in its homage airport. We're gonna watch it take off, and I'm also gonna test out the power of this camera's zoom lens. Wow, look at it go. Look at the winds pushing it too. Well, that was pretty neat. See all the DHL planes over there? CVG is a global cargo hub. Yeah, out there is another 747. Nice. I'm up here on the roof, and there's Louis the Axolotl passing by, but now we also have a CRJ taking off. There he goes. And now an ERJ. Nice day to be flying, isn't it? Louis the Axolotl has been replaced over here by some sort of eagle, whose name I didn't get a chance to read yet. Well, let's see here. Is that Humber the eagle? Hamber the California eagle. I get it. Here comes a DHL flight taking off. Cool. Cargo planes are fun, guys.